Hey, what is up, guys? Welcome to another video. So in this video, I'm gonna be changing the oil dipstick. I got a OEM one, part number 11140 JA10A. Now the reason I'm replacing mine is for two reasons. One, the upper portion's rusted, and two, I realized that it's not sealing properly. And what I mean by that, look how easy this is coming out. Not even any pressure. So the seal on this is bad. That's the reason. That's the two reasons why I'm replacing mine. So probably don't. This video is not really necessary, but I just wanted to show y'all if you experience the same issue. So put the new one in. Alright, so now it's a lot tighter. But with that, if I was driving the car daily and all that, and you discover an oil leak, not sure exactly where it's coming from, it would have been splashing up through here because this ain't sealing properly like the new one is. So when the pressure's building up in the motor, it's going to be coming up the dipstick and all that. That's it for this video. Like, comment, subscribe. See you in the next one. Peace.